Environmentally friendly bottled water has finally arrived. The ability to create and sell environmentally friendly bottled water has finally arrived and has been long overdue. Bottled water companies have for an extensive period of time enjoyed huge profits because of convenience, availability, and the allure that the water contained. In the bottle promotes better health and has been shipped directly to you from a crystal clean glacier or filtered fresh from an underground spring. But in many cases the labels attached to the bottles are misleading, deceptive, and are not indicative of where the water actually came from. Not even close. More than a quarter of the bottled water sold today is no more than highly filtered tap water, including some of the most popular brands on the market like Aquafina and Dasani. The water used to fill the bottles depletes existing groundwater supplies that would otherwise be made available to many communities, small towns and cities. But with corporate profits soaring, some bottled water companies have little or no regard about the stress being placed on the existing supplies, how it affects others who need access to the water, or the effects on the ecosystem, and whether it depletes existing supplies available to the local wildlife that also depend on the same water for survival. The truth is that water is the one essential element necessary to sustain all life on our planet. Humans must keep filling up on it daily, as 70% of our brain is water, 90% of our lungs are water, 83% of our blood is water, and 60% of our body is water. Without it, life as we know it ceases to exist. Drinking water is certainly healthier and by far a better alternative to enthusiastically chugging down an acidic sugar-filled can of soda or other high-calorie, fat-generating, diabetes-causing beverages so readily available on the market today. But convenience and availability comes with a price. You can see it every day in the form of an eyesore on the side of highways, streets, waterways, lakes, rivers, streams, and various other locations where empty, plastic water bottles are discarded. In addition to depleting groundwater supplies, the bottled water companies also burn millions of gallons of oil and emit tons of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, manufacturing and delivering their goods to the market. Consumption of bottled water in the US has reached 30 billion bottles per year in 2005, and only 12% of those bottles were actually recycled. The billions and billions of plastic bottles discarded over the past several years and sent to landfills will still be there 1,000 years from now. And it will be our tax dollars used to clean up the mess, and a terrible legacy that will be passed down to the future generations. However, there is an exciting and innovative solution available for those who have the vision and foresight to seize the moment. Atmospheric water generators harvest clean, fresh drinking water from pulling moisture out of the air. They also purify the air while they do it. But not only do atmospheric water generators create 99.9% pure drinking water that is free of chemicals, odors, pollution, contamination, etc., they don't diminish or deplete existing groundwater supplies while they do it. Combine atmospheric water generating technology with solar power and/or wind turbine technology and effectively reduce the millions of gallons of oil used to manufacture the bottled water and reduce carbon emissions and greenhouse gases. For more exciting information on how to build your own, click the link below.